In 2026, most of what passes for technology is disposable, designed to fail, built to be replaced. But every so often, a tool emerges that defies the planned obsolescence, a device crafted with purpose. The TheraGun Mini Plus Massage Gun by Therabody is one such exception. This isn't just another percussive massager. Its integrated heating element isn't some gimmick, it's a quiet industry standard, delivering a therapeutic heat up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit in under 60 seconds. It accelerates relief 3 times faster than percussion alone. That means 15 minutes of targeted therapy can clear the residual stiffness of an early morning flight or a long commute, saving you precious minutes in your routine every single day. Pick it up. You feel the solid heft, the dense, zero-flex construction. It speaks to a quality that prevents not just immediate failure, but decades of frustration. The USB-C charging, the 3-hour battery life, the travel lock feature that prevents accidental activation in your carry-on, these are not just specifications. They are assurances against future errors, preventing premature replacements, extending its utility across countless journeys. Now, for full transparency, its compact, ergonomic grip, while comfortable for most, might feel slightly small if you have exceptionally large hands. It's a minor concession for a device designed for maximum portability. Yet, the sheer quality of the percussive engine, the intelligent heat delivery, the robust build, they render that minor point completely irrelevant to its core function and longevity. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly today especially. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.